How would you like your own Roku TV channel in front of up to 60 million viewers?
Here we have something that can produce amazing exposure and can put you in front of literally millions of users.
Hey everyone, I've had 10,000 subscribers to my channel. He's making tens of thousands of dollars.
I mean, what a godsend for any business who needs massive traffic, that you can't afford the traffic. And for businesses paying for traffic, it's a great way to, like the channel I was just talking about, dilute the cost of advertising in a big, big way. He got 120 subs in one day. And then another guy got like 1,500 subs in 1 week.
So in the first month alone, we had just over 10,000 subscribers to the guitar school channel, which I found amazing.
Wow.
And he started to utilize it. And on one of his channels, he's had over 50,000 views. Anthony comes out with 10,000 people. I just blew my mind. So then I kept checking in with him. And then he's like, I've had 30,000 viewers in however long. And then by the end of it, like within the 5 weeks, 70,000 people, which is, like I say, phenomenal.
Can put you in front of literally millions of users. This gives the average person the ability to start their own television channel, essentially, and how users can leverage the over 40 million viewers.
On March 21st, you will be able to broadcast yourself or your client's content on your very own TV show, positioned in front of over 60 million television sets around the world. Whether it be content publishing, business, entertainment, promoting your own brand, or just about whatever you like. And you don't even have to create your own content. But if you make your own content, the opportunity is even bigger. Hi, I'm Nick Lapola with Eyeball Glue and ConversionFreaks.com. This is an amazing solution for anyone who wants mass exposure and authority in your business. Plus, there are numerous ways to get paid for just broadcasting solid content. Sign up for the launch special announcements and get our free How to Be a Star 7 Steps Guide to Running Your Own Television Show. Plus, you get a lot of other extras, including a chance to win a copy of Camtasia 2018 to do your video editing with. To register free, go to ConversionFreaks.com/Roku. To sign up for free, once again, that's ConversionFreaks.com/ROKU. Oh, and remember to subscribe to our channel and smash that bell icon so you get notified of the launch. Then head over to ConversionFreaks.com/ROKU to claim your goodies.